Splash! Who wants to dive deep and meet ocean friends? Let's put on our pretend goggles and jump into the big blue sea. Look around. Do you see those bright wiggly fish? Some are yellow, some are blue, and some have spots or stripes. Fish love to swim together in big groups called schools. They move fast and swish their tails to zoom through the water. Look, over there, it's a sea turtle. Sea turtles have strong, hard shells on their backs. They glide through the water with their big, flat flippers like flying underwater. Turtles love to eat seaweed and sometimes jellyfish. Did you hear that sound? Click, click, click. It's a playful dolphin. Dolphins are super swimmers. They jump high out of the water and make silly noises that sound like clicks and whistles. Dolphins love to play and swim together in families called pods. Can you flap your arms like a dolphin? Here comes our big ocean surprise. The dolphin leaps up, spins, and splashes down. What a jump. Dolphins are amazing at jumping high and swimming fast. Ocean animals are full of color, fun, and surprises. Which ocean friend do you like best? Want to make your own fun videos? Click the description link to get started today.